11A is here to make a comparative analysis on emission of carbon by China and Bhutan. Through my presentation, China is currently the world's biggest polluter, responsible for more emission than US and EU combined. It has had the world's largest carbon footprint since 2004 and was responsible for 28.3% of carbon dioxide emission in 2007. On the other hand, Bhutan, a small country in Asia, is the only carbon negative country in the world. More than 70% of the country is covered in trees. This large amount of tree cover has seen Bhutan becoming a carbon sink, which means that it absorbs more carbon dioxide than it produces. Bhutan absorbs roughly 7 million tons of carbon dioxide annually and only produces around 2 million tons. China is one of the most industrialized countries in the world. Most of its industries are located on its eastern front, whereas Bhutan is one of the least industrialized countries in the world, and most of its industries are located on its southern front. In 2017, industrial sector contributed 40.5% to China's gross domestic product (GDP). In industries contribute to nearly 83% of carbon emissions in China. Whereas in Bhutan, production in the industrial sector is of the cottage industry type. Most development projects such as road construction rely on Indian migrant labor. Therefore, contribution of this sector towards carbon emission is very less in Bhutan. Sources of emission of carbon in China. When it comes to the causes of emission, the main reason China has been so high is because the country has been so heavily reliant on coal. Construction is another particularly significant source of CO2 emission intensified by China's urbanization boom. China also manufactures half the world's steel, producing around 5 times more than the EU. Each ton of steel produces 2 tons of carbon dioxide, the steel producing processing potentially accounting for more than 10% of China's CO2 emissions. Amount of carbon emission by China and Bhutan. In 2017, nearly 7.1 metric tons of carbon was emitted in China, whereas only 1.1 metric tons of carbon was emitted in Bhutan. In 2018, 10.7 metric tons of carbon was emitted in China, whereas in Bhutan, only 2.5 metric tons of carbon was emitted. How Bhutan became a carbon negative country. These are the following methods through which Bhutan became a carbon negative country. A ban was placed on log exports. The constitution was amended to include that forest areas would not drop below 60%. Free hydroelectric power generated by Bhutan's many rivers is used instead of less environment friendly fossil fuels. Free electricity is provided to rural farmers. Percentage of land cover under forest. In 2015, nearly 22% of the land in China was under forest cover, whereas in Bhutan it was nearly 71%. Efforts China has made to reduce its carbon emissions. First, in 2018, Beijing introduced an action plan that requires 480 million tons of carbon capacity from steel production to meet ultra-low emission standards by 2020. Coal usage has declined since 2014 in China, sitting at about 60.4% of the country's total energy use. According to the US Energy Information Administration, China is ramping up its use of natural gas. Compared to the coal, natural gas emits 50 to 60% less carbon during the combustion process. Thank you.